My name is Azlina. I actually previous user of using Ultra Racing Bar currently. I'm staying at Kajang. I'm currently owning a CRV TC 1.5 turbo 2-wheel drive. Okay. From my experience before, I have owned a Nissan Almera manual transmissions, complete with IMPA package. And at my old car, I already installed the UR bar before. So when I took the CRV, it's kinda not complete the car because not having this UR bar at my car. Then when I took my car, I did a survey before because we have a lot of competitors in the market today too. For example, Softco and everything. Then still I have the guts on my heart. I still want to use the UR bar. So I did with my friends, with my CRV G5 community. So they do the group pricings, and then after I install the stage 1 and stage 2, I hardly say it's totally different from the first day I took my car, because CRV is quite a high car as compared to my previous car. So we need something to make the car more stable. Okay, because when you are cruising at the highway around 160 to 180, you definitely need something to stable your car. So as I install, I have more confidence on driving, more stability on my car.